try this as an experiment. Suppose the weather bureau says that tomorrow there is a 70% chance that it will rain, and then in the whole of tomorrow it did not rain at all, not even one drop. Then was the forecast right or wrong? If we ask this question to several people, you will find that many of them will say that the forecast was wrong. Why does this happen? Okay, let us first see, was it really wrong or not? So when somebody says there is a 70% chance of rain, it also means that there is a 30% chance that it will not rain. So why are we talking in terms of probabilities? Because the factors on which it depends whether it will rain or not are so many. So the number of factors is very high, as well as their dependencies are such that we cannot be certain whether it will rain or not. So there is a probability attached to that outcome. So there is a 30% chance that it will not rain, and that is what happened. But people will say that the forecast was wrong. Why? Because it is normal human tendency to convert high numbers like 70, 80, 85% probability to 100% probability, which is a guarantee of happening. So although the weather bureau said 70% chance of rain, in our minds we take it as 100% that it will rain, and then if it doesn't rain, we say that the forecast was wrong. A similar thing happens in companies that are executing projects, because projects is also an environment with many variables and many dependencies, just like the weather. So when we ask people for by when they will complete certain tasks, then their answers are actually estimates, means they are answers with certain amount of probability attached to it. They are not guarantees, or they are not what we call as commitments. So every such date that is given by people in a project's environment, there is a probability attached to it, and we convert it to commitment and then do several let's say reviews or revision in commitment dates, which causes a lot of problems. And all these discussions happen because we take those estimates as commitment dates. So if we start working based on those being not commitments but estimates, and understand that there is a chance of not adhering also attached to it, then we'll be in a much better position to manage the situation as compared to taking those as guarantees. Because with guarantees comes reviews, revisions, arguments, and keeping track of how many times the revisions were made, and all this leads to unnecessary discussions which can never end, because project after project the same things keep repeating, because inherently that environment has uncertainty embedded in it which cannot be removed. So we must start thinking that these are not commitments, these are estimates, there are probabilities attached, and we should be prepared for sometimes that dates not getting achieved.